Hello students, good morning. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about lesson 3rd of your textbook Snapshots. Okay? The name of the chapter is Ranga's Marriage. This is written by a great Kannada writer Masti Venkatesa Iyengar. Okay? Dear students, in this story, the writer describes about beauty of a village, its customs and tradition. Okay? In this story, the writer describes about the innocent nature of villagers, their customs, way of talking. Okay? The name of the village is Hosahalli. Hosahalli is a very nice village with very good mangoes tree, village people, simple behavior, nature. Okay? So before beginning this chapter, dear students, I would like to tell you about the main characters of the story. Okay? Dear students, there are main 4 characters in this story. First one is Ranga. As you can see, the title of the lesson is Ranga's Marriage. So we can say that the main character is Ranga. Who is Ranga? Dear students, Ranga is the main character of the story. The son of village accountant. Okay? And in this story, the writer tells that he goes to Bangalore to receive English medium education. Okay? And the second character of the story is Shyam. The writer, the narrator himself, named as Shyam. Shyam, he is narrator, Ranga's friend, Ranga's neighbor, and he impressed by Ranga's cultured behavior. Okay? And he makes Ranga agree to marry an 11-year-old girl. And what was his name? Her name? Ratna. Her name was Ratna. Okay? So let's come our third character. Dear students, the third character is of the story Ratna. She is 11-year-old girl who is staying with her uncle Rama Rao. Okay? She is very pretty and sings very well. She knows how to play veena. She knows how to play the harmonium. Okay? She is very innocent, very simple girl. Okay? And the main fourth character is Shastriji. Who is Shastriji? Shastriji is a village astrologer who plays his role to perfection. He is a very simple man, but in this story, he plays as a very comical character. Okay? So, dear students, these are the characters of the story. Let's begin the story. I want to say that this is a very simple story, but the writer makes the story very interesting, very comical. Okay? Ranga's marriage. About Ranga's marriage. In this story, the writer describes about village life and child marriage. Okay? It is very interesting, very comical story, and the story begins with the contents of Ranga, who lives in a village named Hosahalli. Okay? Dear students, the narrator Shyam belongs to Hosahalli village. Hosahalli, village of Mysore state. Where? In South India. Okay? He tells a story of his village that happened 10 years before. Beauty of village, about child marriage. Ranga, who lives in Hosahalli village, where he went, where he goes to study, Bangalore. Okay? He tells that in those days there were not many people in the village who knew English. Okay? He says that the village is very small village, and it is not mentioned in geography book, in any geography book. Okay? The writer describes about village doctor and special quality of mangoes of his village. Okay? The leaves of creeper. She describes all the things about his village. Okay? The narrator tells that Ranga's homecoming was a great event. It was a great event in the village. When he came back from Bangalore after taking English medium education, when he came back, the narrator tells that Ranga's homecoming was really a great event for the village people. Okay? The village accountant, everyone rushed to see him. Means the village accountant was the first person who sent his son to Bangalore. For what? To study. And when Ranga came from Bangalore, people rushed to see. They ran to see him. And there is a big crowd reached to his house to greet him. They went there to meet him. Okay? Attracted by the crowd. Just like a film star. Just like Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan. Attracted by the crowd, the narrator too went there. Narrator means Syam. He also went there. Ranga came out. Ranga came out with a smile. Everyone was surprised. Why? Why surprised? Ranga had not changed. Everyone was surprised to see that Ranga had not changed. After that, when they came to know that he did not change, the crowd, okay, the crowd disappeared. They went away. Okay, the narrator asked Ranga, what? When he planned to get married. The narrator asked him when he planned to get married. When you are going to get married? Ranga said, what was his reply? Ranga did not want to get married soon. Ranga said that he did not want to get married soon. He was searching for right girl. He was searching for right girl, mature girl. The narrator made up his mind, oh mister, don't worry. Okay, you have to be married. The narrator made up his mind that very soon he would get Ranga married. Okay, the narrator had in his mind the niece of Rama Rao. What was her name? Ratna. She was a very beautiful, very pretty girl, and she was 11 years old. Rama Rao's niece, most suitable bride, very beautiful girl. She knew how to play the veena, how to play the harmonium, how to sing, how to dance. She had a sweet voice. Okay? Rama Rao's niece was a suitable bride for him. She had a sweet voice. Her parents had died. Narrator thought that she could be the most suitable. She could be the most suitable girl, most suitable bride for Ranga. Okay? And one day the narrator asked Ratna for what? To sing a song. He wanted to held a meeting of Ranga and Ratna. That's why he asked her to come his house. When Ratna went there, narrator asked Ratna to sing a song. He sent for Ranga during that time. While she was singing, the narrator made a plan. What was his plan? To let Ranga meet the girl and see herself. Okay? When Ranga came, dear students, listen very carefully. When Ranga came and he heard her voice. When Ranga came and heard her voice, very impressed. He was impressed with her song. Okay? And Ranga asked about Ratna. He impressed with her song and asked about Ratna. Oh, who was she? Who she was? Please tell me. The narrator was very cunning. He told him that she was married. Okay? When Ranga asked him who was that girl, the narrator told him that, oh, she was married. The narrator noticed that Ranga was disappointed. He attracted with her song. Okay? And he wanted to be married. But the narrator said that what he said? She was married. Already she was married. Okay? The narrator noticed that Ranga was disappointed. And next day, he met the village astrologer. What was his name? Shastriji. The village astrologer, who was that? Shastriji. And made a suitable plan and tutored him. The narrator also tutored him about his plan. What to do. The narrator almost ruined his own plan when he said, by saying that he already met Shastriji that very morning. But Shastriji saved it by changing the sentence. Okay? Shastriji pretended what? To make some calculation and declared that a girl was responsible for Ranga's condition. And her name was of something like found in the ocean, like Kamla, Moss, Pearl. At last, he said Ratna. Okay? Ranga and Ratna. He told about Ranga, about this condition, that condition. Returning from Shastri's house, the narrator stopped at Rama Rao house. He went inside for some time and then again he returned. Oh, he pretended to look surprised and told Ranga that Ratna was not married. Now he told him about Ratna that she was not married. Okay, Ranga and Ratna got married. At last they got married. he gave the name of his child Shyam, narrator's name. Okay, the narrator Shyam was dark in color and he called himself a dark piece of oil cake. But Ranga gave his son name Shyam, means of narrator. Okay, dear students, this is very interesting story. This is a story of a villager and the name was given to him Ranga. The story is about his marriage. The story is about the beauty of a village, traditions, customs, about child marriage in India. Okay? Thank you and very much.